In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to streamline your accounting system or simplify your bookkeeping, merging accounts can be a valuable tool. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's start by accessing QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button prominently positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be directed to the Sign In page. Now on the Sign In page, you'll need to enter your email address and password, the ones associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have them handy and type them into the respective fields. It's essential to ensure accuracy here. The spelling and case sensitivity of your email and password need to match what's registered on your account. Once you've entered your credentials, proceed by clicking the Sign In button to access your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're in, you'll want to head to the settings. This is where you'll find the chart of accounts, a crucial section for our task. Look for the gear icon, which stands for settings, usually in the upper right hand corner of your page. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your active and inactive accounts in QuickBooks. Now that you're on the Chart of Accounts page, the next step is to locate the specific account you want to merge. In the search bar provided on this page, type in the name of the first account you wish to merge. As you type, QuickBooks will filter and display accounts that match your search query, making it easier to find the exact one you're looking for. Once you've located the account, you're ready to make some changes. Look for the drop-down arrow next to the account, which usually indicates more options. Click this arrow and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Edit option. This action will open a new window displaying account details, allowing you to make any necessary changes. Now, we get to the critical part, the actual merging process. In the Edit window, you'll see a field labeled Account Name. Here, you need to change the name to precisely match the name of the account you want to merge it with. This exact match is crucial because QuickBooks identifies accounts by their names. So make sure there are no discrepancies regarding spacing, spelling, or special characters. Once you have changed the name to the targeted one, look for the Save button and go ahead and click it. Upon clicking Save, QuickBooks will verify the details. If the account names are identical and no other issues are found, you'll be prompted with a message asking if you want to confirm the merge. At this point, QuickBooks is making sure that you really want to combine these two accounts, because once merged, the action is irreversible. If you're sure about proceeding, click on the Yes Merge Accounts button. QuickBooks will now consolidate the accounts, combining the transaction histories and balances into one account. This process aims to declutter your account list and potentially simplify your financial tracking. And that's it, you've successfully navigated the process to merge accounts on QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you've not only streamlined your accounting records, but also taken a decisive step in organizing financial data more efficiently. It's a useful method for businesses and individuals who need to reduce redundancy in their accounts. While these steps are quite straightforward, it's a good practice to verify the merged account details when you're done. Check the transaction history and balances to ensure everything aligns with what you expected. This quick check can help avoid any discrepancies down the road. Remember, keeping your QuickBooks account organized not only helps with financial clarity, but also enhances your operational workflow. Thank you for joining me today in this walkthrough. If you found this video helpful or have any further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below or check out additional QuickBooks resources for more detailed guides. Wishing you smooth sailing in your future QuickBooks adventures.